Why is pressure cleaning performed by experts with utmost caution? Some of the best pressure cleaners in Melbourne carry out cleaning attentively for several reasons. They are: 1. Keeping the pressure cleaning equipment stable can be difficult. 2. A direct impact of high pressure water jet can be injurious. 3. The impact of the water jet can scatter dust that can get into the eye. 4. The pressure needs to be controlled for obtaining the right result. At Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, we carry out pressure cleaning in Melbourne meticulously. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.